In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation in Webflow. Whether you're looking to spice up your website's interface or want to engage your users with interactive elements, Webflow makes it straightforward to integrate animations, giving your site a professional finish. So, let's dive in and get started. First, log into your Webflow account and open the project where you want to add an animation. Once you're in your project dashboard, think about the vision you have for your site. Perhaps it's a captivating image, a button that needs a little movement, or another element you think could benefit from some playful animation. You'll want to click on the specific element that you wish to animate. This choice will guide you towards creating a dynamic experience for your site visitors. With the element selected, you'll notice a panel on the right side of your screen. Here, look for the Interactions tab. It's the magic wand icon that holds all the potential for breathing life into your static designs. Clicking on Interactions opens the gateway to a whole suite of options. These possibilities allow you to select preset animations or even craft your own unique creations, tailored to match the theme and style of your project. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Highlight feature within this tab. This is an excellent tool if you're looking to draw attention to your animation component. Highlighting helps emphasize elements through subtle effects, enhancing user focus and adding flair without overwhelming the rest of your design. Continuing your journey through Webflow's animation tools, look for the plus icon. Clicking this will present you with a list of triggers you can use. Triggers are essentially the events that prompt an animation to start. The right trigger can transform your user experience dramatically. Choose a trigger that makes sense, such as a click, scroll, or hover action, and pair it with your element to ensure that any interaction feels intuitive and enhances overall navigation. And there you have it, the basic steps to animate an element in Webflow. Remember, as you play around and experiment with these settings, Webflow gives you the flexibility to preview your animations and adjust them to perfection. Test as you build, ensuring your animations maintain harmony with your site's functionality and design ethos. This careful approach ensures each movement complements the visitor's journey, turning static visits into engaging interactions. I hope this tutorial has equipped you to create more dynamic designs with animations in Webflow. Give these tips a try, and you'll soon see how even small moments of motion can make a big difference in creating an engaging user experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!